Hello guys, welcome to Tribe Travel, and today I have bumped into an old airplane, KQ plane being transported. So let's have a closer look at it. And have you asked yourself why so many Kenyans are buying airplanes? Well, we are going to know in a few minutes. Well, as you know that Kenya Airports Authority auctioned most of its old aircrafts to the public, so the people that were interested were requested to come and purchase. And Kenyans have been really busy going to purchase. I've seen several planes being purchased. And why would you buy an old airplane? I mean, this thing can fly. What are they going to use it for? Well, here is the answer. You know, the main reason why Kenyans are purchasing old aircrafts is because that they can be converted into restaurants, they can be converted into hotels, they can be converted into bars, they can be converted into Airbnb. And you can imagine it's quite an experience spending a night here. If it were a hotel room, it's quite an experience having your date here. If it were a restaurant, you can imagine just the way Valentine's just passed. You can imagine being brought here on a date with flowers and candles and all that. So this will be something that is going to be a game changer in the hotel industry. So let's continue having a tour and a look of this plane as a whole. Well, as you can see, that's the size of the plane. It's usually very, very huge. You can't just climb like the way you climb into a matatu. You need to have stairs, you need to have a ladder. But it's quite an experience to have a restaurant here or an Airbnb or whatever they are going to use it for. That's the main reason I might think they want to use for it, because definitely it can't fly again. This one is done with the air. Now it's time to deal with the ground. Let me show you something before I go. This is the toilet service in the airplane. This is where if you have been in a plane, whenever you go to the toilet, that's where the waste gets ejected from. Well, and here we have the door. That's where the passengers used to board through. And well, this is quite something that it's very interesting to have old planes being converted into something else. And that's it. I will try give you more updates if it's going to be converted into a hotel or whatever. And this is Tribe Travel. Make sure you subscribe so that we can continue making more and more travel stories. See you in the next video.